We will begin by chaining a multiple of 6 plus 1 at the end. Here in my miniature sample I have just chained 31. We will be working the cowl in round, so we will slip stitch it with the first stitch to form a ring, making sure that the ring is not twisted. And after we join, let's recheck it to see that the ring is not twisted, and now we can continue on with our crochet. The first row that we have is we are going to do a double crochet all around. So chain up 3, which is counted as 1 double crochet, and we will put 1 double crochet in every stitch all around the cowl. Depending on how loose or tight you want your cowl to be, you can control the size of the round by chaining more or less, which is really up to you. Just that you maintain the multiple of 6 so that we will have 3 front posts and 3 back posts crochet. If you are not familiar with the front post or back post double crochet, do not worry. I will show you just how to do that in a while. Now, putting a double crochet all around is setting up a foundation for the front post and back post double crochet. So we will continue to put this all around and slip stitch it to the third chain of the beginning chain, and that completes our first round. Now we flip our work to the right side. We will start with the pattern, and for this we are going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we will put a front post double crochet, which is done by yarning over. Instead of going like we normally would, we would go from front to the back and out front. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Once again, yarn over, go from front to the back and out front, pull through 2, pull through 2. One more. It's like a normal double crochet except you go from the front. Now after we have put 3 front post double crochet, we will put 3 back post double crochet. In back post, we will go from back, out front, then to the back, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will put another back post double crochet, yarn over, go from the back, out front, then to the back, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will put one more back post double crochet, and this completes the first pattern repeat of the basket weave. So we will be putting 3 front post double crochet and 3 back post double crochet alternatively all around. So let's go once again. Front post, grab a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, another front post, pull through 2 and pull through 2. One more front post, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now 3 back post, 1, 2, second back post double crochet, and 3. Do this all around your cowl. When you are done, you shall end up with 3 back post double crochet. 1, 2nd, this is the 2nd, and 3rd, last one right here. 3 back post double crochet, and that completes round 1. Slip stitch it to close the round, and now we will begin the second round. Row 2, we will begin by chaining up 3, and we will do exactly like we did in row 1. 3 front post double crochet. You will put front post double crochet in the one that you had done front post in the previous row, and you will do back post double crochet in the ones that you had done back post double crochet in the previous row. So 3 front post, 3 back post double crochet. Do this for 2 more rounds. 3 front post, 3 back post double crochet for 3 continuous rounds, and I will meet you after you are done. Okay, so this is the end of row 3. We will slip stitch it to the top of chain 3 from the previous row. Now we will just alternate what we had been doing. Chain 3, which is the same. Now we will be putting back post double crochet in the ones that we had done front post before. So we will be putting 3 back post double crochet in the first 3 stitches, second back post double crochet, and third back post double crochet in the third stitch. And then we will put 3 front post double crochet in the ones that we had done back post in the previous 3 rounds, and we will continue to do this for another 3 rounds. So the pattern is 3 front post, 3 back post for 3 rounds, then 3 back post, 3 front post for another 3 rounds, and it continues. This is how a basket weave stitch is done in crochet. So you will do this for as wide as you need the cowl to be, and it will just be perfect. Happy crochet!